Hello, it's the Avid Picker, and today I have a dimple lock. It's a 5-pin dimple lock, and the branding is that. And I'm not sure what brand it is, but nevertheless, I decided to upgrade the pins. So I took these three standards out and put in two spools and a serrated. Here's the bitting on the key. Those bottom ones are just for key control. But yeah, let me get the vise, get this thing checked up, and see if we can't get it picked. Okay, make sure the key works. Perfect. And it is locked up. Okay. Now, let me zoom in on, well, first, actually, I'm going to be using one of my SpooXe right flags and Z-wrench. Alright, let me zoom in on the lock and we'll get to picking this thing. There we go. Alright. I'm going to use the thin end of this on the right side of the keyway, and we're going to go counterclockwise. Okay. Find the first. Oh, there we go. Number 5 was 5 gave us a false set. Okay. Let's see here. Sorry, my tension wrist was in the way. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, I'm getting counter on 3, maybe? I think it's 3, yeah. Well, lost it. Okay, we got a little deeper false set on 5 again. And counter rotation on 4, I think. Nope. Okay. We got a little deeper false set. Back in our false set. Let's see here. Seems like number 4 again. Maybe I can manage to set it this time. Okay. Back on number 3 now. Okay, I'm having trouble getting my pick placement right. There we go. Oh. Okay. Let's see here. Back in the false set. Okay, definite counter. Well, okay, let's see. It's hard to get on the pin with these SpooXe picks. And we're open on 3. Alright. Let me take the zoom back a little. And we will get the vise out of the way. And I'm going to use this mini pinning mat. Because I'm making challenge locks right now. And I don't have a pin tray available. As you can see, it is unlocked. Oh, now I locked it back. Okay. Well, that's fine, because we're going to get it with the key. Alright. I'm going to need... Switch those. Let's see, okay. Get this back clip off. There we go. Alright. Now, this thing has a very... Let me zoom in a little. This thing has a very strange core. It's like a peanut core in a normal lock body, I'm sorry. I'm going to use this 3D printed follower that Foxy at Red Cat Imaging made me, and we will just push it out, and hopefully I don't lose those bottom pins. Okay, this is the key side. These are bottom pins for key controller number 1 and 4. We'll go ahead and dump them. Okay. There we go. Good deal. Alright, now we can see that the pins are all in and working. But we have overset traps in 1 and 3. Yeah, definitely 1 and 3. 1's a little below, but 3 is at the shear line. Okay, number 1 is a steel anti-drill. 2 standard. 3 standard. 4 standard. And 5 is standard. Now these are a little different from what I'm used to seeing. They seem to have a limiter on them, like a graduated larger part at the top and smaller at the bottom. And it makes sense because there are limiters in the keyway, or I'm sorry, in the core. But there is no threading. You can see right there the limiters, but yeah, no modifications to the plug. Alright. Yeah, as you can see, it's a very small. It looks like it has a master ring in it. Anyway, pin and tweezers. Alright. And in number 1, we have standard. Okay. Now, sorry about that, you guys. Okay, big spring in number 1. Okay, where'd number 2 go? Okay, number 2 is a spool. Okay, there we go. Number 2 is the same spring and spool. These are commercial security pins I've used. Standard number 3. And looks like another steel spring. Yep, same long steel spring. Alright, number 4. We have a spool. And it was like that. Like that, right? Well, actually like that. Okay. These springs are long. Alright. And the same spring in 4. Now 5. And it is the serrated. Now these are all commercial pins. I did not make them. But it did make it a little more fun to pick. And the same long steel spring. In the core, sorry about that, there is nothing done up there. Look how small that is. Okay, here are the pins. As you can see, we've got a standard, a spool, a spool, and a serrated, all commercial. The 2 standards are stock. Now these at the bottom, you got an anti-drill in the front, and all about the same, with that little rim that won't let it fall into the keyway. And these are the 3 pins I replaced. Here are the key control pins, and all the springs are long steel. Alright, if you guys enjoy what I do here, and if you like the video, give me a like. Actually, please like, comment, and subscribe. And soon enough, a couple days, I'm going to do a review on the Sauber kit. Everyone be safe and keep on picking.